Introducing the 3.5 cubic meter D-series self-loading mixer, engineered for strength, efficiency, and control. Driven by a Yuchai 4105 turbo engine, delivering 85 kilowatts of powerful, reliable performance. Equipped with oversized wheel side axles, 4 hydraulic transmission, and 12R 22.5 steel wide dual frame tires for unmatched stability. Comfort meets productivity with climate-controlled air conditioning, imported piston motor, and bucket vibrator. Smart functions include automatic water metering, 180-degree drum rotation, triple driving cameras, and hydraulic water pump for maximum precision. Follow us for more contents.